Hello, everyone. Good morning, everybody. My name is Okoye Chukwuma. This is my project pitch for ALX final project. I'm a software engineer. I specialize on back end, and today I'll be showcasing the project I want to embark upon. This is my introduction. But before I proceed with the introduction, I want to be building an application that will be leveraging on the power of generative AI. I want my application to be intelligent. I will be using OpenAI's API to build a responsive application. Nowadays, many people are venturing into prompt engineering, but they think that prompt engineering is all about using OpenAI's web interface. But I think the area of making API calls by developers are still underappreciated. So in this project, I'll be using OpenAI's API keys to make API calls. So I will be integrating the power of their pre-trained model, which is GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, to build a very responsive application that will solve a real-world problem. My team is only me, so I'll be working alone because I want to work at my own pace. Secondly, I'll be using some secret keys, which is OpenAI secret key. So I don't want to be sharing it with anybody. I want to maintain that level of confidentiality. So I'm a full stack developer with expertise in Django, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. So I'm excited to introduce our project, an innovative web application that harnesses the power of OpenAI for generative tasks. Next slide. Project description. Our project aims to develop a web application that leverages the capabilities of OpenAI for generative tasks such as language translation and image generation. In this project, we'll be building an application that will be able to translate to different languages. The languages will be English, Dutch, German, Pidgin English, and so on. So the application will accept a user input from the user interface that will be building. It is going to translate the language to 5 different languages. Not only language generation, my application will also be able to transform text to image. I will be leveraging on the capability of the model to generate image from text. So that is another feature that I'll be adding to this application. Our solution involves creating a user-friendly web application that utilizes the OpenAI API to provide accurate and creative language translation and image generation services. Yeah, learning objective. My primary learning objective include gaining hands-on experience with OpenAI API integration, enhancing my full stack development skill by building a dynamic web application, exploring the nuances of generative tasks in AI. Yeah, nowadays we're talking about Web 3.0. So the rev in the moment now is trying to shift from web developer, app developer, mobile app developer to building something that is very intelligent, something that will mimic human intelligence. So that is where Web 3.0 is heading to. Web 3.0 use technology such as generative AI and blockchain. But in this project, I'll be exploring the the generative AI aspect of it. And third-party services. The third-party service I'll be using will be OpenAI. As I said before, OpenAI API is very powerful and it is very good in language generation and image generation. Yeah. Some of the challenges of it is very good, ensuring the seamless integration of OpenAI API into my web application. You know, this integration of OpenAI is very new, so I have to do a lot of research to know how to implement all of those things. Then optimizing user experience for language translation, image generation, then managing potential scalability issues as our user base grows. So in development, I'll be using uh, uh, as I said, I'll be building this application with Django. So in development, I'll be using SQLite. But as my application begins to grow, in my production, I'll be using Postgres. That is good for enterprise scalability. So as my application grows, I would like to scale it with Postgres ecosystem. And schedule of work, I've scheduled this work within 27 days, which will be managed using Trello boards for efficient task and allocation progress tracking. So this is my Trello board link. This is linked to my Trello board here. Then conclusion and call to action. In conclusion, my OpenAI powered generative web application has the potential to address real-world language translation and image generation needs. So I invite everybody to support my projects, and I believe that at the end of this project, I'll be able to build a real application that solve a real world problem. Thank you and see you on the other side. Bye.